What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Gringo Garage. Today we're going to be checking out the Ulanzi. This is WL-1 wide angle lens for the Sony ZV1, which I picked up not too long ago. I was using the Canon G7X Mark II. Stopped working on me, did the warranty stuff. They go ahead and refunded me, but I'm going to go ahead and try the ZV1 because this is a camera that is designed for YouTube making and vloggers and bloggers and joggers, whatever. Pretty sweet camera, awesome quality, super fast, focusing on it, I like it, but the angle, what is this? It's I'm not sure, but a lot of people complain that this thing doesn't get a very wide angle, so you have to be kind of far, but you fix that with the WL1 from Ulanzi. So yeah, right now we're shooting on the Galaxy Note 20, and check it out. This is the wide angle on the Note 20, which is pretty good. So, I mean, it's going to be hard to beat this. Audio quality, I actually use this microphone on the Note 20. Works great. But this camera is amazing, and I would like to use that one more. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what all this thing comes with. Alright, so first off, we got the Ulanzi. I'm going to open this box up. And here you have it. Here is the lens. Got your little cap on here. You can see, pretty good. Glass, nice quality. Feels heavy. You can hear that. So this is aluminum. And here's the other side. So check that bad boy out. Woo! Alright, so anyways, go and put this back together. And with the Ulanzi, it comes with an adhesive, which is right here. They did send an extra one, 3M. Okay, so that goes on the camera itself, and then this lens screws right to it. Comes with a nice little cleaning cloth. It's a little, so extra little adhesive that goes around right here. This little adhesive tape, so we got extra ones there. So yeah, let's make sure. I think this is just the second one that they sent. You see, Ulanzi. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna have to stick this right on here, just like that, and then this lens will screw right onto it. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so we got our camera. Get you a little alcohol pad or something, clean this up, make sure it's nice and clean. This doesn't come with one, but I already wiped it down with some alcohol. We'll go all around. Now we'll go ahead and peel our adhesive tape. Just peels right off. This is 3M, so it should be pretty good. And we got our camera. I'm gonna go ahead and find it right, because you can see the circle right there. Let's just go ahead and line it right up, which looks to be about right there. Press it on there. A little test. So you can see it is on. Nice and centered. So we'll go ahead, we're gonna unscrew this. So with the Ulanzi, I've always been told, so with the Ulanzi, I guess it's better so you don't burn out the motor. Turn it on, and then from here you screw it on. There you go. Now you got this nice wider angle lens. So we're gonna go ahead and do a side-by-side on this lens. What's up, guys? So we are on the Sony ZV1. I am arm's length, which is, I don't know, 3 or 4 feet. This is how the stock lens is. This is how the microphone sounds with that little shotgun mic. My alarm's going off. I gotta pick up my kid from school. Just get rid of that. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and screw on the lens and show you how much wider you get. So just remember, we're at this little sticker and we can't see nothing over here. I'm gonna go back arm's length. All right, guys, arm's length. We're about the same distance away from the camera. I could already tell it looks, you know, quite a bit wider. Now I could get, you know, a little bit closer. I don't know, how clear is it? Look good? Anyway, so we're gonna go do a couple little, let's go outside here. Let's see how it looks. It's a little bright. I'm gonna take you off the tripod here. I'm walking around. We check out the big Bertha here. The Dodge Ram 2500 Mega Cab Turbo Diesel. Check out the lighting. We got some chingaderas. Let's go into some dark areas here. So not too bad. I'm looking over here. I mean, I don't think it affects the lighting on this thing, but we're gonna walk back in to my garage, take you off. So there it is, arm's length. Let's take the lens off. So here we go, we're still arm's length, same distance. Walking around, getting super bright. See the old troca right there, it's looking good. Nothing's bad to the bone. So yeah, back in the old cubby. Looking cool, looking all right. Anyways, this lens isn't very expensive on Amazon. Get it shipped to you pretty quick. Let's get you back on here. Super easy to install. I think it's well worth the money because the Sony ZV1 is an awesome camera. And with this little wide angle lens, it just puts the cherry on top. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.